So hi my friend and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be very special, important, beneficial video for all of the beginner, for all of the English learners, because guys, today I am gonna share with everyone a very beneficial and a very famous practice. Yes guys, this practice is speaking practice by the picture. Yes guys, by the picture. And also I observed that many people, they want to speak the English language, they want to practice it, but they don't know where, how, and what is the topic they will speak about. That's why guys, don't worry, because this method, pictures, they're gonna help you to speak the English language how much as you want, how much as you can, because they are very easy to practice and very fun. I always tell to everyone, try to do some fun with the English language. That's why it is also one kind of a fun practice. Okay, only you need some pictures, and then when you will get some pictures, you have to describe all of the pictures, what is going on the picture, what the picture describe us, and all of the things you have to speak. Okay, by yourself. You can sit in front of a mirror or in front of your camera, then you can speak like me. So that's why guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do this practice. I will also do in front of you, so don't worry a little bit. Also I will talk about A to Z, what is all of the things. And I want to tell everyone that this video, this is the part 2 of this practice, speaking practice with the help of the pictures. So guys, let's start about the pictures. But in this video I'm gonna do something new, and the changing things are levels. Okay, I will take only 3 pictures, only 3 photos I will describe, but I will describe them by the levels. Means first I will tell to you, first I will describe you the level 1 picture, and then the level 2 picture, and then the level 3 pictures, because I observed that many pictures, they are a little bit difficult to explain, to describe, but when you will describe them, then it will be very beneficial for you, because you can find out a great source of English words, English sentences. You can develop your confidence level and your and why? Why people are watching my videos daily, learning from my videos, but not subscribing my channel? What is the matter? Guys, please subscribe my channel. Most of my viewers, they are watching my videos daily but not subscribing. Why? There is no any efforts, and I am giving you the advice to subscribe my channel for your own benefits, because when you will subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, then all of my videos notification, they are gonna come to you very faster and very quickly. You can watch them, you can learn a number of things from them. So guys, try to understand. Just subscribe and touch the subscribe button with your beautiful fingers, and then don't forget to hit the bell icon also. Please like and give me a beautiful supportable comment. And because guys, from your one like and one comment, I get many motivation. So let's go, come with me. You also watch this video without skipping. Fluency by speaking it, by talking it. Okay, so let's start the video without any wasting of time. Let's start. So now guys, first of all, I'm gonna describe with everyone a very easy picture. Yes guys, this picture is the level 1, means the first picture of this video. So listen the picture, try to observe the picture and listen my words very carefully. It will be very helpful for all of everyone, for all of the learners, because you are gonna practice the English language. So let's start describing the first picture, means my first. So as you can see, it is a very beautiful scenery and a shop of fruits. There is a shopkeeper of the stall who is a old man. His white hair and beard describes and indicates the oldness, and he is wearing glasses because his eyes are not so good now, and he is wearing a brown color apron. He is holding a full bag of grapes and giving the bag to the girl who is taking the fruits. The girl is hanging a bag on her shoulders and just taking the full bag of grapes from the shopkeeper. She is wearing a blue coat and a green color pant. With her there are three children. It may be a group of friends. The another girl who has the red curly hair, she also staring at the bag of the grapes. She is wearing a pink color sweater with a blue color pant, and there are two boys. The first boy who is staring at the small boy, he is wearing a deep pink color sweater with simple white strips, and he is staring and looking at the boy who is wearing a orange color hat, and the small boy also taking and holding something, a bag, with his hand, and he is indicating somewhere with his another hand. So it is only the picture. You have to describe it like this. If you want to talk with a simple picture more than 10 minutes, 5 minutes, then I will give you advice. Take a copy and then write down few questions about the picture. And you will write down few questions about the pictures, then you can easily find out the answer of them and speak about them. As you can see, there are many floors of the stall, and all of the floors are filled full by many and lots of fruits. This is only the describing, so it's very simple. That's why I give it the level 1. But now the level 3 is one of my favorite, and I am very shocked. You will be very shocked when I will start to describe the level 3. So that's why please guys don't miss the level 3, because there are many hidden things are there in the level 3. So now first of all, let's talk about the level 2 picture. So as you can see in front of the screen, the picture is very beautiful. It is a bank. The spot is a park spot, and the park is on the bank of a small pond, and on the another side of the pond there are many green grasses filled full with big fire trees, and on the another side you can find out a very big city, means the buildings, because big buildings indicates the city. And now as you can see, there are many people doing their work, but first of all we are going to describe the whole picture. That's why we will describe every single person, every single people, what they are doing by describing what the thing. So guys, at the first of all, as you can find out, a person who is running on the corner of the picture, he is wearing a violet color hat with a white color t-shirt. He is wearing a blue color pant, and he is just doing his morning walk, means he is jogging. And then on the behind the man there are two peoples, means a boy and a girl. They are doing conversation between them. The boy is wearing a black color sunglass and a yellow color half t-shirt. The girl is wearing a beautiful dress in the white color. They are talking by sitting on the grasses. And guys, as you can find out, that there is a beautiful bench, and on the bench a old man just reading the newspaper. The old man is wearing a hat and he is reading the newspaper. And near the foot of the old man there are many birds who are also enjoying the daytime. And at the corner of the photo there is a girl. She is learning the skating. Okay, means she is skating with the help of her skateboard. And in the middle part of the photo you can find out a girl with pink color dress with a bag which is hanging on her shoulder, and she is wearing a skirt. She is just walking with her dog. The dog color is very beautiful. The dog is looking so beautiful, and it was the picture. So it is also very easy to practice. I think that everyone, you can easily practice all of the things. And guys, I want to tell everyone, whenever you will just speak about and whenever you will practice this method, then just try to notice and just try to remember one thing, that which picture you will choose, you are gonna speak, you are gonna practice, you have to notice that in all of the picture there have to be a crowd of people. Because when we will find out, when we will talk about a crowd of people, then there will be many words, many thinking in our brain that we can share. And always remember, you have to practice with the same picture more than 10 minutes, 5 minutes. And now guys, it is one of my favorite, the third picture I am gonna explain you, and it is the last, and there are some hidden things are there that you have to find out. If you can't find out, then I will just tell you at the last of the video. And guys, you have to comment me down below. You can find that, you can see that there are number of things to speak about, okay, for a long time. That look at the picture and then you can easily understand that why I give it the level 3. Because when the difficulties are gonna be bigger, then you have to be more stronger. But first of all, as we start our reading, our studies by the level 1, means the class 1, and then we go to the class 2 or class 3. But never we just go to the class 5 after completing the class 2. So guys, as you can easily understand that the picture is describing a simple beautiful shop which is a fruit shop. Okay, there are a number of kinds of fruits, like watermelons are there, some red and green apples, some oranges, some like the radish, some cabbages, some carrots, and also there are many like them. And the owner of the shop is a lady owner, means the shopkeeper. As you can find out, the shopkeeper is wearing a blue color apron with a white t-shirt, and she is talking with a little child who is wearing a yellow color small shirt with a blue color pant. I think that he is the child of the lady who is standing with him. The lady who is wearing a green t-shirt, hanging a bag on her shoulder, she is the mom of the baby. And then on the corner of the picture you can find out a young boy with a red color t-shirt. He is taking a bag of fruits and he is wearing the blue color pant, and he is happily going somewhere. And then with the boy there are two grand people, means two old people. One is a old man and one is a old woman. I am sure that they are husband and wife. They are talking about something. The old man is half bald and the old lady, she is wearing a glass and she is taking two things on her hands. She is holding the bags which is hanging on her shoulders, and with the another hand she is taking a small bag. It may be the money bag, and she is staring at the old woman, means her husband. And if you observe a little bit, then you can find out a grey color cat which is staring to the old man, and the cat is standing near the foot of the old man. And at the last of the corner you can find out a woman with the grey color hat. The woman is going and returning to home with her fashioned dog. The dog is looking very beautiful, and it was the picture. You can just describe more things about the pictures, like what are the vegetable, what are the fruits name, and what are the color of the picture, means of the stall. As you can find out that the interesting thing is on the shade of the shop, that there are many pigeons and many kind of birds are there on the shop's shade. They are standing and they are observing the whole environment. The shop shade color is the white color and the red color. And guys, there is a very interesting thing that I found very recently, and it is a cat. Can you find out two cats from the pictures? Yes, there are two cats on the picture. One is with the old man and the another is sleeping on the shade of the shop with the pigeons. The it is also very interesting thing, and you also can do some quizzes with your friends. If you have any partner to practice this, practice means this type of practicing method, then you can also ask your friend that how many characters are there in this picture. Can you find out 2-3 animals, how many animals? So guys, I hope that everyone learned a lot from this video, and I want to advise everyone, please guys, believe at me, and you don't have to do anything. You also don't have to struggle to find out many another pictures from the internet. Just pause the phone, pause the video, and just take all of the screenshot of these 3 pictures that I have already described you, because now the picture sentences are going in your brain. But when you will practice them, what I told you, then it will be very beneficial for you. You can easily practice is day by day and daily, and don't think that okay, now only I will explain, I will describe a like picture, and then after few days I will again left it. No, just take a picture and then just practice the same picture 2-3 days, because when you will explain the same picture first of all one day, and then second day, then many words, many sentences, they will come in your brain very quickly. So guys, remember it. Bye bye. And I want to tell everyone, guys, please subscribe. Your one subscribing, your one motivation comment give me many motivation to make this type of more new videos. Guys, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and like this video. Don't forget to hitting the bell icon, because if you don't hit the bell icon, then you are not gonna get all of the notification of my brand new very important videos. So guys, bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video, and guys, please give your sub moment and please comment me something, because when you will comment me, then I also can do some conversation with you on the comments, on the comment section. If you have any question about this practice, you can easily ask me. I will give you the answer. And if you want any another topic that I have to talk, then you also can comment me. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Remember guys, successful people that don't do different things, they also eat like us, they also sleep like us, they also enjoy their life like us, but they just do their works, their things a little bit differently. Okay, so these little things, to a great man nothing is little, it is very important. Bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.